might be asked to deliver these. These are our Medici furniture raisers. They're not linked together like the other raisers. For these, you'll see there's this little strap in here. Now that is designed to go around chair leg, so it will fit very securely to a unit. And here, you see this outer disc. If we press this in, I can turn. See that going in and out? So if we press down on that, turn this, you can put your chair leg in here and tighten it really nice and securely. Now to get your height, the bottom section just screws out and that'll raise it. So if I just take this out, there we go, ready to pop on. Get another one. Tip my chair up, put them on at the back. So then I can just screw that in and see that secure nice and tightly. I have to put it that way actually, so the majority of it's under the chair. Same here. And again, the key here is to make sure it's all the same height all the way around. So this one's a bit higher than that one, so my chair's going to be wonky, which we don't want. So always ensure it's exactly the same height all the way around the chair, and then you can proceed to the front of the chair and put the other two on.